Not inform in time methods, computer error, training machine under breakdown machinery. Remember that the objective is not fixed to the blame on individual, but to understand the problem well to determine the right corrective action. Now explain in brief Poka Yoke. Poka Yoke is a powerful and compressive method of error proofing, a work process to eliminate inadvertent errors, thereby ensuring quality and product services. Poka Yoke must form a cornerstone of the policy of defect prevention and defect detection. Poka Yoke is a combination of two Japanese words, Poka meaning inadvertent errors and yoke derived from the Japanese word yokari meaning to avoid, and together they translate as error and mistake proofing or foolproofing or fail-safing, a work process system to eliminate inadvertent errors. Poka Yoke is a powerful and comprehensive tool for identification, measurements, and analysis of mistakes, defects at the Gemba real place of work, and implementation of measures that prevent the activity from being incorrectly performed, thereby ensuring production of quality goods and services. Few examples of fail-safing of some of the daily activities through the concept of Poka Yoke are given below. Here is given problem, mistake, fail-safing, Poka Yoke. First, problem mistake. Address on the letter and envelope are different, resulting in defective delivery. So, fail-safing, that is Poka Yoke, put letters in window envelopes. Transparency is wrongly exhibited on the screen. Upside down. Provide some mark, say arrow facing screen on the transparencies. Spelling mistake by secretary. Use computer programs that check spelling. Employee is not performing the work as per instructions. Instructions not clearly understood. Ask employee to repeat instructions. Employee not performing as per established method or as performed correctly by him in the past. Implement work standards, that is exhibit and provide work instructions for regular jobs. Customers complain of short receipt of items. Fail-safing, provide dispatch clerk a checklist for verification. Assembly operator forgets to assemble all parts. Install device to wait assembly before it is pushed by the operators to the next station, or supply material for each assembly in separate pack and check for any leftover material. Content drops on the floor on opening of VIP suitcase kept upside down. Manufacturer to provide a lever lock on the suitcase to prevent it from opening if kept upside down. Too much time being wasted in issuing material, as store clerk has to search items before issue. Provide location number for the items and dedicated facility to see the location on the screen. Forgetting to post receipt and issue of item, shortage item, routed directly to assembly on receipt. Provide control in the computer program, disallowing preparation of production report, invoice until all items on the BOM are issued, that too for their full quantity. Characteristics of Poka Yoke. Poka Yoke is a fail-safe mechanism for quality control, and Poka Yoke is proving powerful. Poka Yoke is a simple. Poka Yoke is inexpensive. Poka Yoke is a comprehensive method. Poka Yoke is an advanced aid in waste elimination. Advantages of Poka Yoke: eliminates rejection and rework, reduces unnecessary transport handling, rerouting of jobs for defect correction from downstream operations, frees a person's mind from maintaining repetitive vigil, which at times may be practically infeasible, builds up morale on the shop floor, creates extra capacity which is otherwise wasted due to rework and rejection, improves productivity of the process. Key principles of Poka Yoke. Errors are inevitable but can be eliminated. To error is a human, that is, people make mistakes. However, these mistakes can be reduced or even eliminated. Poka Yoke is a technique that can help to analyze the kind of mistakes employees make and to eliminate these mistakes by installing simple Poka Yoke devices. To achieve quality, it has to be designed in the product, built into the process, drilled into the heads of people, and has to continuously improved by setting targets and monitoring progress. Kaizen, Six Sigma, Poka Yoke. Quality thus is a total approach involving everyone in the organization, and it is not just the responsibility of the quality department. Mistakes provides an opportunity for improvement and error. Mistake reporting is a fundamental step towards success. One need to feel ashamed when a mistake is made, but should be gracious enough to admit the mistake. Once the mistake has been admitted, the solution becomes possible. If the mistake is not acknowledged, the problem can persist indefinitely. In fact, mistakes should be publicly admitted so that others can learn from it and avoiding making such mistakes. Poka Yoke creates an environment wherein employees openly admit mistakes and focus on countermeasures to prevent their recurrence. Effect on cost for defects. Mishaps, errors, problems, and crises are the result of inadvertent negligence of small things by someone in chain. Eliminating mistakes prevents occurrence of major ones. Poka Yoke gives the importance to these small things, giving avenues for mistake proofing. 10% inspection deployed at the end of the line cannot solve the problem of defects, but building up of low-cost automated prediction and detection methods for each process to help operators to recognize the defect before it occurs can achieve the feat. The faster we discover the problem, the faster we discover the problem, the faster